break will be here before you know it. What you need to know to plan the perfect getaway. We'll get some travel tips coming up next.
Well, speaking of spring break and days off from school, still more than 6 weeks away, but you should start planning right now. So here to talk about the latest, hottest destinations, a few travel products too, is travel journalist Troy Petenbrink, who just came back from the New York Times travel show. And we remain jealous of everything that you do. So anyway, how was the show?
Show was amazing.
So at the show, what is it? Like places to go?
Yeah,
like
places to go, products, a little bit of everything. And of course, you know, the economy's doing well, so a lot of people are looking to travel this year.
What was the coolest thing there this year?
Let's see, the coolest things there this year. I think it was interesting to see some of the non-traditional destinations. We're seeing a lot more people heading out towards towards Asia and places like that.
Yeah.
So that was kind of nice. And, you know, they had a lot of the traditional dancers and things there to try to attract you.
Right.
So I really enjoyed seeing that.
Okay, when you say Asia, of course, huge, 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 huge.
Okay, so...
Huge,
yeah.
but we're talking about, before we move on, we're addressing any concerns. Maybe people are a little freaked out now about traveling with the coronavirus.
Yeah. I think people have every right to be concerned, obviously. The CDC is saying that American travelers have very little risk, if any, especially if you're not going to China.
Right.
Now, spring break is 6 to 12 weeks away, depending on when your spring break is. Things could change. You know, pay attention to what's going on. Pay attention to those public health alerts. You know, when you are traveling, you know, I brought my sanitizing gel and my wipes over there. You know, the best thing to do is just practice good hygiene.
Right.
You know, I've been more concerned right now about this flu virus that's going around right now.
And it's going around in here, too.
Yeah, absolutely.
But don't worry, I'm good. I got my flu shot.
Good,
all right.
good.
Let's talk about places to go and what we need to do now if we know we're going to travel. We need to start booking now, right?
Yeah, so this is the sweet spot. Because right now you're seeing some good rates and good options. As we get closer to spring break, you're going to see those prices going up. You're going to see your options narrow. So look and book now is one of the key messages I have out there. The other thing you want to do is, you know, make sure you thoroughly understand the destination you're heading to. The week of spring break is a lot different some places than it is the rest of the year.
Oh, yeah.
You know, so know what you're getting into. The other thing, and, you know, this kind of relates to the coronavirus and things. If things pop up, get that travel insurance. It's only a few extra dollars.
Get it?
Yes, it's only a few extra dollars. Get it. Peace of mind when you're running into these problems.
Sure, I'm going to get it.
Get it.
And then you know how it is. Nothing happens. Oh, I'm so mad.
I know, you're so mad.
But suppose something did happen.
But something does happen. Now, in terms of destinations, I'm hot on a couple different places.
Okay.
One, Dominican Republic.
Okay, now let's talk about the DR.
Completely cleared.
Okay.
No issues there.
Okay.
I think the problem was you had a few deaths and a microscope got put on that.
Yes.
If we looked at the number of people who died in Canada every year, we'd probably be shocked by the number of Americans who died while vacationing.
Okay.
So the FBI investigated, completely cleared. What that means for you, though, is some awesome deals. People stayed away, so prices dropped. We need to go back down there. The same thing with the Bahamas. You know, Hurricane Dorian came through, devastated the Bahamas. Everyone's like, oh, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. You want to know the best way to help? Go be a tourist.
Help the economy.
Nassau was not hurt at all.
Okay.
Paradise Island, not hurt at all.
Which is where a lot of people go.
A lot of people go anyway.
That's where,
So you go down there. A great option for that, though, is this thing called Bahamas Paradise Cruise Line.
Okay.
Starts out in West Palm Beach. You do a 2-day cruise over to the Bahamas. You can elect to stay in the Bahamas or cruise back. The nice part about that, for folks who've been tempted to think about going on a cruise but aren't so...
Never been on a cruise. I've never been on... I really do want to go.
This is one of the great ways to do that.
Okay.
Go down, experience that cruising, but you're not captured for 7, 8 days plus.
Right.
But you get that experience, and you can then bookend. Stay a few extra days in the Bahamas, stay in West Palm Beach. West Palm Beach is amazing. That's where spring break training is happening. So if you're, you know, if you happen to have a very early spring break, maybe catch a baseball game, see our Nats.
Last place that you have on your list before we get to the products is
Non-traditional.
Asheville.
Yeah. Springtime in Asheville.
Okay.
It's turning green, beautiful flowers. You know, Asheville's been just a great place to visit for a long time because, you know, you had the Biltmore Estate down there and things. But then the Hunger Games came, and all these celebrities decided that they discovered Asheville, and so you're seeing a great art scene. They just built a $24 million Asheville Art Museum down there.
$24 million?
$24 million in the middle of Asheville, North Carolina.
Right. Okay.
But it's a great art scene down there.
I love the Carolinas. Okay, Troy, before we let you go, what did you bring?
Hey, what I brought was your day packs. You know, one of the biggest threats to travelers, especially American travelers, isn't, you know, this violent crimes and things. It's pickpocketing. It's those little things. You know, and the worst thing to do is come back from your vacation and realize that your camera was stolen or something like this.
Yeah.
I have some products here. This is Pack Safe, Travel On, Lewis & Clark. All of these products have these zippers that have these extra little locks on them that make it just really difficult for someone to just casually come by and steal from you.
And if a pickpocket sees all of this, why are you going to work that hard?
Exactly.
Right.
And these are also splash-proof, waterproof. They're really nice to have. You know, and if you're going to go out and you're going to buy a day pack or something like that, take that investment and find one that's going to keep you secure and your items secure.
Yeah.
This one, I love. It folds up into a little pack. This one converts into a backpack.
Right.
This one's made out of recycled bottled water. So, I mean, you know, you save the environment and you save your product.
Right.
So, I mean, you have a really great options here. But the key thing with spring break, start looking now, get your best deals.
Okay. How do people get in touch with you?
You follow me online. I am the Gay Traveler, as you know. So I'll have more information about all these products up there on my social media and stuff.
Yeah.
But really, I think, you know, great opportunities to travel right now. And don't be afraid of coronavirus.
Yeah.
Just, you know, take those basic precautions.
Troy, you're the best. Thanks.
Thanks,
We love
Allison.
it when you come spend time with us. Tucker, over to you.